Hi, I'm Shelley and I work at the School of Medicine and Psychology here at the ANU, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about the Doctor of Medicine and Surgery program and go through some of our 6 most commonly asked questions. So the MChD program is the Latin acronym for Doctor of Medicine and Surgery, and it's a graduate entry program for those wanting to pursue a career as a medical practitioner. The MChD program takes 4 years to complete. It's a level 9 master's qualification. There are a number of different pathway programs into the MChD program. We have internal pathways at the ANU through the Bachelor of Health Science program and also the Tuckwell Scholarship pathway. We have an identified Indigenous pathway. We also have an international pathway for eligible international applicants, and for eligible domestic applicants, we have the Graduate Entry Medical School Admission System, or otherwise known as GEMSAS. So a common question we often get asked is, are pathway students guaranteed an offer? Although we do have reserved places through all our different pathways, no student is guaranteed an offer. Everyone will have to go through a competitive selection ranking process to get one of the limited offers available into the MChD program. So for students who may not have come through one of our pathway programs or were unsuccessful through one of our pathway programs, there is still opportunities to apply to the MChD. International applicants can apply directly to the ANU with a valid GAMSAT or MCAT result, and domestic applicants can apply through GEMSAS with a valid GAMSAT result. So another question we often get asked is, can medical students who are studying at another institution transfer to the ANU? Unfortunately, no. Our years of our medicine program are at full enrolment capacity. So if you are interested, you would have to apply for the next available intake and be competitively ranked for an offer. If you are successful in getting an offer, unfortunately we don't offer course credit and you would need to complete all 4 years of the program. So if you're interested in studying medicine at the ANU, we'd encourage you to reach out, and to find out more information, please click the link in the description.